AfriForum is going to lodge a criminal complaint against Cedric Nkabinde. Nkabinde yesterday blatantly lied under oath in his evidence to the Parliamentary Committee investigating the Mkhwanazi matter. The law is quite clear that giving false evidence before a Parliamentary Committee is punishable by up to 2 years imprisonment. Nkabinde, in his evidence, has shown throughout that he is unreliable. That he did again yesterday with the far-fetched allegations that AfriForum was part of a meeting that planned to get rid of General Phahlane from his position as police commissioner. This is also a contradiction because we know a year earlier, General Phahlane was already removed from his position. To expose this lie, AfriForum challenges Nkabinde to take a lie detector test. I will take that test with him, and AfriForum will pay for it.